This is it right here, but it's not blowing. This is a no start, guys. No, nothing. Okay, they just put a starter on. Actually, was told right here from another shop. I'm not even getting power. Let me see why it was told here. I don't know if another shop did it or, well, mechanic. It's gonna be hard to do these on the ground at home, simply because that starter is located under that cat converter. All right, so I don't know why it's not man. Hold on, wait a freaking minute. Do y'all see what I see? Both of them. Is they loose? Yeah, they loose. Guys, listen to me. Oh my goodness. Now, these are the ones that's not really replaceable, right? I don't know, but get you a new battery with thicker or better posts. Battery posts. A thicker battery post will cling to these battery terminals. Look at this. All right. Ooh, righty, guys. I'm sure y'all saw that hashtag short video. Yes, guys. You know what's crazy? This ain't the first time I've seen this. I've been doing this for a minute now. I have seen some weird things. Okay, I don't even call them crazy anymore. I just call them weird, because it's hard to understand what's going through people's head when they in frantic mode or they're not sure what to do. But let's talk about this. It's not a hashtag short video, it's a full video. So I think the goal was to grab a real good connection between the battery terminal and the battery post. Okay, because that was compromised due to the fact, I want to suspect this is already as tight as it's gonna get. So it's grabbing as much as it's gonna grab. All right, now also look at this. This terminal is not replaceable. Remember on the 2012s and the early built 2013s, the terminal is not replaceable. After that, they are replaceable. Okay, yes, you can just simply take the screw off right here and replace it, but this year is not. So the proper way to do this, what we used to do, what they had us doing in the dealer, they wouldn't let us cut this, guys. Y'all can say what all you want. All you got to do is cut. No, you can't do stuff like that at a big old dealership. I mean, you talking about liability and lawsuits? Get out of here. Yo, you guys kill me with y'all home remedies that think can be done at huge facilities. No, back in the day, if I saw this, I had to write up a complete engine harness. And guys would get mad at me and cuss me out in the comment. You don't have to replace, you can just cut. No, you can't just cut. You can, but you can't do it to a customer car. You can do that to your own car. Oh my goodness. So yeah, I call flack trying to explain this and such. Look, you don't have to, but the right way to do that, because they're not replaceable, is to replace the battery harness. Don't get me wrong, I don't want to replace no battery harness just because I want, or I don't want to replace the engine harness just because I want perfect battery connections. It's just at certain facilities, you got to do things right. You got to do things from a liability standpoint. Anything that prevents you from getting sued, and that's exactly what could happen if you do some stupid stuff like that. Okay, but yeah, at home, oh my goodness, yeah, you can do whatever you want. If this car is out of warranty, it's your world. All right, so what I'm gonna do, what was I saying? Yes, guys, if this is tight, is it gonna get, and it's still loose like this, one of two things. The battery itself, the post has been worn down or sand down or grind down. They're not thick enough to support this. Now, I'm no huge fan of that spacer. There's a spacer out there they sell at AutoZone, Advanced Auto, those parts stores. I'm no fan of that, but if you are, go for it. Okay, it looks just like a post. It sets on top of the post, and all it do is make it thicker. Okay, I'm just no fan of it, but you're welcome to do whatever you want to do on your own car. All right, I will never take that right from anybody. So wow, 2.4 volts from this battery. So I'm gonna jump this off. Remember, guys, what I just said earlier, supposedly you can't see the starter is down there. Supposedly the starter is being replaced. Still no crank. So let me crank this baby up and let's go see what we got. Ooh, right. Uh-oh. Spinning over. Y'all hear that? So let me get this straight. They put a starter on it because it won't start, not because it won't crank. That's a totally different complaint, guys. Now, again, I don't know if a shop did this. It was told in. You see, I don't know if a shop did this or a customer. I don't think a customer can do that, guys. This starter is under the cat converter. This is bank 2. The starter is right there in that area, so I don't think a customer gonna do that at home. So a shop must have done it. And if the shame on the shop that replaced the starter because the thing won't start, not because it won't crank. I can see a complaint such as click, click, no crank. Those are two different complaints. A no start and a no crank complaint are two different things. So shame on that shop if they replaced that for that. Now, welcome back, man. Real quick. So Raj Bra want to know, what do I think about the caps that go on the battery post to help secure a better connection? Guys, I'm against that. Now, keep in mind, I'm against it for the newer cars. Remember, guys, the newer cars are solely computer dependent. Okay, any kind of spikes or loose connection at the battery can actually render your modules unusable, unworkable right now. It can brick things like your transmission. Your transmission can all of a sudden not be shifting. So I'm against that on newer cars. When I say newer cars, I'm talking like this is like a 200, maybe 2015 model. A car like this. No. Don't do that, guys. If the connection is loose because the terminal is loose, get a new terminal. If it's loose because the post is loose, get another battery. All right, no screws or nails of anything of that sort on these, guys. Older car, yes, that was work. If you got an older car, go for it. I've done it on older cars, but not the newer stuff, Raj. All right. Alrighty, guys, real quick. Y'all see these two tools? These are my favorite go-to tools. However, when I'm in a jam or a bind, I like to go with this one, guys. I'm gonna show you why. These little push clips right here. Okay, yes, this is one of the tools that's built for that. However, this tool right here is so much better, guys. Look at this. You just stick this in between the slots and then just pull. Yeah, you gotta go find it, but yeah, y'all get the picture. All right, look at this one. Let me do this one. Stick right in between there, get up under it, just squeeze the trigger. Now you can stop right there and just simply grab it out of there so it don't fall all over the place. My point is that this freaking tool is awesome. Where did I get this? I don't know. This one is awesome too, but I like this one. All right, different circumstances would dictate which tool you grab, just so you know, guys. Yeah, so I'm gonna take all of these off. I gotta get inside here. Stay tuned.